Okay, so now we're almost done with the text for the magazine cover, and all that is left is to add a volume number in the upper right hand corner. And so what we're going to do first is create a rectangle with rounded corners to serve as a background for our volume number. So to find this, I'm just going to go to the rounded rectangle tool, and I'm going to draw a rectangle in the space above the letter L in the upper right corner, placing its right edge along the guide. Okay, and then I'm going to draw, and then in the properties, so I'm just going to go ahead and do the volume number. Okay, and in the properties panel, and if it's not up, go ahead and bring it up again. In the properties panel, I'm going to type 67 pixels for the width. And let's see here, just one second. I'm sorry, that's we're going to up into the options panel. So go ahead and type in 67 pixels for the width, and make sure the stroke width is 3 points, and this is a stroke width here, so we got 3 points. And we're going to change the fill color, and we're going to select a pastel yellow, and we can do this, numerous ways. We can go into the foreground color here. Oops. Oh, I have to be on my move tool. Okay, so I'm going to go on the foreground color, and I'm just going to go to the yellow, and I'm just going to select just kind of a very light yellow. Another thing we could do is we could pick a yellow or some type of color here, where we can even do the eyedropper tool and select something that is a little bit more similar to the color that we want. Once you select the color that you want, you're going to go ahead and hit OK. And basically that didn't change here. So let's go back to our layers panel, and we'll just double click on this and choose the color there, and we've got it changed. So now you can see we've got the rounded rectangle. And now the other thing too is with the rounded rectangle tool, I can do some other changes as well, which we'll show you in a second here. But what our plan is that we're going to actually do some typing here with the vertical type tool. So I'm going to go to the text tool. I'm going to select the vertical type tool, and I'm going to go to the character panel right now, and let's see, did that one disappear on me too? Okay, that's fine. And with the character type panel here, I am going to select Myriad Pro, which we have defaulted there. And then at the font style, I'm just going to select like a light condensed, light or narrow, light condensed. So let's see if we can find it here. Condensed italic, no, not condensed italic. We'll probably want to do just, I suppose condensed is fine. And then we're going to do a 15-point font size. And we're going to do tracking at 10. And we're going to make this character black. And hit OK. And then I'm just going to zoom in so we can see what we're doing here on the rectangle box here. And what we're going to do is go ahead and we're going to type in volume 9. So we'll grab the text tool. I'm going to hold my shift key down, so get in the center here. The shift will actually place the text tool right in there, and then we're going to go ahead and type volume. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and hit the commit button up here, which is a little checkbox, and you can see that I have volume 9. Now if my box is too big, what I can do is go back onto my layers panel and go back to the rounded rectangle, And I can just go Command T and hold my Shift key down, and I'm going to keep the width the same, but I'm just going to lower this a little bit. Okay. So now we have this done, so now we're going to look at changing the corners on that rectangle. So anyways, I was going to show you how to round different corners there, but I don't have the Photoshop CC, so we'll show you that in class. But go ahead and click on your Control key and then click on the sticky note, and you'll see that you can delete the note and take that off of your magazine cover. And then I can hide the guides. And I'm just going to go View and Clear Guides, and then I'm going to go Command 0 and take a look at my magazine cover here. And so now remember, you want to go ahead and go Save As, and you can just put it you know, 07 project, which is fine, and then just go ahead and save it and replace, because we want to make those changes to the current file, and then we hit OK. And that's it for this assignment.